Let's make shredded chicken. Today, this recipe chicken is tender and flavorful. Marinate chicken one night in advance. Sliced ginger. Drizzle cooking oil and add ginger and red dates. High heat steam for 15-20 minutes. Poke with chopsticks to test if it is cooked. Hand shredded chicken after it cooled down. Pour in chicken soup, coriander, onion, and chilies. Mix well. Then mix well. Plate. Hand shredded chicken is done. This chicken is tender and flavorful, easy to eat and appetizing. This recipe is easy and delicious. Today we will boil red dates barley soup. Wash barley, drain and set aside. Sliced red dates and remove seeds. Pour in all ingredients, add 2 big bowl water. Add rock sugar when barley is cooked. Look at the soup. Red dates barley soup is done. Barley soup can beauty skin and prevent indigestion. Good to boil at hot weather. Cook this and share with your family. Anyone birthday today? Wish you happy birthday with today's recipe. Ingredients are long life noodle, vegetable, mushrooms, fish cake, and bell pepper. Mushrooms remove stem. Sliced mushrooms and bell peppers. Cut vegetables into smaller pieces. Cook long life noodle for 3 minutes. Drain and set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add mushroom slices and stir-fry with oyster sauce. Bell pepper slices. Add soup broth, water level to slightly cover ingredients. To absorb soup. Season with dark soy sauce, light soy sauce and pepper powder. Add more dark soy sauce to add color. Add vegetables. Long life noodle is done. Looks delicious, yummy. Optional to garnish with fried shallots. Fry this noodle for your beloved family or friends.